this is Karen and welcome to another Throwback Thursday, even though technically this isn't a throwback because it's still available. This stamp set and punch bundle are still available until the 31st of May. I haven't actually used it that often. I think this might be the first card I've made with this bundle. I've had it sitting there and I haven't used it. So I thought I'd better use it before the end of Celebration, or before the end of the Occasions catalogue. So we're using the Truly Tailored stamp and True Gentleman stamp set, I think it's called, and the Truly Tailored punch set bundle. Geez, you can tell I'm really prepared for this. I have stamps and dies everywhere. Anyway, we'll get on with the card and I'll talk while I'm making the card. So yes, this is a guy card that we're making today. I've even decorated inside, and look, I've even stamped on the back and signed this one. So the card measures 5 by 5 from memory. Yep, it's a 5 by 5 inch card. If you've got leftover papers that you need to use up, make an envelope with the envelope punch board. Okay, I'll pop that to the side so that I've got it there. Now, I've already done all the punching and everything to save some time. So I've got all of my pieces here. As usual, all the sizes can be found on my blog. I've even decorated the inside of the card to save some time, and I've stamped and signed the back. Okay, what you'll need for this is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Well, actually, you only need 5 of the punches in 2 different papers, and you need a 6th one punched out in just the crumb cake, which, if you bought the bundle and you bought the papers as well, you probably ended up getting the cardstock pack, and it's got crumb cake in it. So before we go any further, I'm going to stamp the sentiment to the front of the card, and I'm using Tranquil Tide, which matches with the paper. And if I get my head in the way, I do apologise. Actually, that turned out quite nice. Okay, let's get on with the rest of the card. Now, I made a mistake when I was making this. I actually put these on after I'd mounted the crumb cake to the Tranquil Tide frame. So we're going to do it differently this time. First, I'm going to find the centre, which is this centrepiece is 4 by 4. So I just need to find the centre like that, and I'm going to pop a couple of dimensionals on the back of this one to pop it up so that it really stands out. Okay, I will explain why I have a plethora of stamps all around me and why I'm going to have a couple of days where I do non-stop filming. I don't know whether I mentioned a couple of months ago, my second oldest daughter got engaged at New Year, and she's getting married in March next year. As some of you will be aware, I actually make wedding invitations from home as my full-time job. So I'm making all of the invitations now. They have the groom's family are from South Africa, and so we have South African invitations that have to go out, and some English invitations as well, because his mother's family are also English. So yeah, I'm going to be pretty busy the next few weeks just getting all of their invitations done. So I needed to get all of my recording done so that I don't have to worry that I'm neglecting you guys or my Stampin' Up. Okay, as you can see, while I've been waffling on, I've just been rearranging or arranging all of these where I want them. So now in with the snail, and I'm just going to snail the back of these and place them one by one so that I know I've got them in the area that I really wanted them to be. Makes it a lot easier doing it this way, and that way I can neatly trim the edges after I've placed all of these. So yes, exciting times coming up over the next few months for us. My daughter is really switched on as far as getting everything organised. Even though they're not getting married until March next year, she already has all the bridesmaids' dresses. She ordered those online. She has the wedding, or they've booked the wedding venue. They've ordered the groom's outfits and the best man and all that. All the wedding party stuff is done. Yeah, absolutely everything. And one of her bridesmaids is actually from living in South Africa. She's over here visiting her parents at the moment, so she's getting to try on her bridesmaid's dress and take it back to South Africa with her, just in case she needs any alterations. So, as I said, I just want to get all of my Stampin' Up stuff done for the next couple of weeks so that I'm not stressing out and feeling like all of these new subscribers have just subscribed to my channel and there's no content for them to watch. So yeah, hence I'm doing a mad rush trying to get all of these finished. Okay, so we've got the front bit done now. I think that looks really good, but once we pop this onto the frame or onto the mat, the Tranquil Tide mat, it'll look really nice. So I've got an eighth of an inch all the way around there as a border. Bring the card base in, and look how easy, honestly, 5 minutes this card goes together in if you're not chatting, if you're just working. This is one of the easiest cards to do. And there you go. The card we started with today, which as you can see I really stuffed up not putting these pieces on first, and the card we've ended up with. Now how good does that look? Great to give any guy. You've got all of the inside done and even the back. Well, I hope you enjoyed today's card, and you'll join me again on Sunday for a flips and folds card. Okay, bye for now.